The African Plants content area comprises scientific data contributed by the African Plants Initiative, a collaboration of among more than 50 institutions in Africa, Europe, and the United States. Partnering with Aluka, API's long-term goal is to build a comprehensive online research tool, aggregating and linking presently scattered scholarly resources about African plants. So what kinds of materials are available? I click on More information about African plants to find out. Each plant species in the African Plants Digital Library is represented by high-resolution digital images of type specimens provided by participating herbaria. When complete, the digital library will include images of more than 250,000 type specimens drawn from the estimated 60,000 plant species in Africa, Madagascar, and the other islands surrounding the African continent. There are related images and data, including photographs, drawings, botanical art, field notes, and reference works. Further resources include the useful plants of West Tropical Africa, the flowering plants of South Africa, illustrations from Curtis's Botanical Magazine, individual botanist slide collections, and selected archival materials such as David Livingstone's Southeastern Africa expedition papers. So how can I get to these materials? From the Browse page, I can enter the content area. I want to see how the plants are being used, so I click Use. I can see many different kinds of uses, so I click on Medicines. I notice there are many more subcategories of medicines to browse through. I can click any of these, or click the number next to the name. This will take me directly to the results list for that species. You can save time this way. You also have the option of adding another category to the right of the categories. This will limit your search even further. I want to learn about antidotes, so I click there. I am taken to a results list. The category across the top will take you to a species page. The title underneath that will take you to the uses page for one example of that species. I click on the species page. From there, I can see the species page with tabs across the top. You have species information, specimens, use, and flora. I want to see a specimen, so I click on the Specimen tab. I have many viewing options, including Download PDF, Larger View, and Viewer. For specimens, Viewer gives you the best opportunity to closely examine the specimen. So what other materials are available in the African Plants section of Aluka? I can go to the home page to take a look. Under Materials, I click Letters. I can see over 5,700 letters of botanical interest in Aluka. Perhaps I want to make this list a little more specific. So, I click Search in Results and type in Livingstone. Now I have 23 results. I can download these letters in PDF form, or I can open them in the viewer. If I want to see the metadata information for any of these materials, I click either the thumbnail, the title, or the metadata link. This is especially useful if I want to cite this information in my research. I click on the thumbnail to go to that metadata. I can see the description of the letter here. Aluka also has many botanical paintings available. From the home page, click Paintings. I can see over 4,000 paintings available. I can download these as well or view them in the larger view or the viewer. I can also save any of these by clicking Add Edit Tags. These will be saved for me in my Aluka.